Does the location services feature suddenly stop working on your Mac? Like maps can't find you or provide directions? Weather thinks you're in the wrong state? Hi, I'm Mike, and I can help fix this quickly with a few clicks. And if you're tired of digging through system settings every time this happens, well, I'll show you how to create a shortcut to jump straight to the right place. So I don't know about you, but this happens to me quite frequently. I've got maps open. I come over, I click the little current location icon, and it magically just sits there and does nothing. The map stays in the wrong place and it does not find my location. Thankfully, there's a quick fix for this. We'll go ahead, let's get rid of that. Let's visit System Settings app. We'll go to Privacy and Security, then into Location Services. And what we just need to do here is toggle it off and then back on. Because, Macs might be superior, but they're still computers. Moving along, let's click to toggle it off. I'll use my fingerprint. And then I will confirm, turn off, and it turns off. And you can immediately turn it right back on. Now, when you go to Maps, when you click the location button in the toolbar, it's going to take you to wherever you are. Hopefully. So why does this happen? Beats me. It has something to do with networking and internet connections using Ethernet. It's kind of strange because it's like Wi-Fi actually records location, known locations, and shares that. So that is actually used by the system for GPS location services. Ethernet, on the other hand, doesn't seem to carry that location-based information. Now, for instance, my computer uses both Ethernet and Wi-Fi at the same time for things like handoff and other Apple connectivity continuity issues or features. So given that my computer uses both Ethernet and Wi-Fi, I'm kind of suspecting that my computer prefers the Ethernet connectivity. So it just over a short period of time will lose that location information. So for all the benefits of Ethernet, it kind of seems like Ethernet confuses the GPS features of macOS. With that speculation out of the way, let's go ahead and jump into that shortcut I've been telling you about that should make your life a little easier if you're living with this bug. Bear with me while we set up this shortcut. Let's go ahead and use Spotlight to open shortcuts. And let's click the plus button at the top to create a new shortcut. Type in open URLs. It's right there. I'll just double click it and you'll see that it's added to the shortcut. Let's go down here to my trusty notes where I actually have the very unusual looking URL, and I am going to copy here and paste it here. So now if I test this, let's see if it opens up location services in preferences, and at that point I can toggle this off and back on very easily without having to open system settings and then dig through all the different panels to get to this one. But let's do that final bit of housekeeping for the shortcut. Let's go ahead, close system settings, and over here, let's change the icon for it. Let's look for a map. I guess that's a map. We'll change the color a little bit. Pick whatever you like. And then let's click here and give it a more descriptive name like open Location services. Yes, I can type. Click away from it, otherwise it won't save the title right away. And if you want a power tip, what you can do is over here underneath the little information icon, pin to menu bar. And with that enabled, if I hover over and click, now I can see location services right there from my menu bar. That's really handy. Click it. Voila. Location services opens up right away. Alternatively, you can also use Spotlight. Open location. I can still type. And right there it is. Hit enter and it shows up. And here is a power tip for all you power users. So open terminal using Spotlight. And then we're going to issue a command that will stop location services. And this is the command: sudo kill all location D. It actually stands for location daemon, however you want to pronounce that word. After you hit enter, expect to be prompted for your administrator password. At that point, it will stop location services, and the system will automatically start a brand new one for you. Now that should create stubborn GPS problems in macOS. And if that doesn't work, the best I can say is try rebooting. For your convenience, I've added the shortcut URL along with the terminal command down in the description, so you can reference it there. If you had this nagging issue, then I hope this video helped you. If you want to save time next time location services acts up, give that shortcut a try. It's been a big help for me. If you've seen this bug yourself, let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching till the end. Until next time, have fun, stay safe, and keep learning.